Why does your body produce mucus when you are sick? It's not just gross stuff you want to get rid of. Mucus is your body's secret weapon against infections and irritations. When you get sick, your body ramps up mucus production as a frontline defense. This sticky substance traps invading germs like viruses and bacteria, preventing them from entering deeper into your respiratory system. Your nose and throat are lined with mucous membranes designed to capture and flush out harmful particles, keeping your lungs safer. Mucus isn't just sticky fluid. It's loaded with antibodies and immune cells that attack germs trapped inside. When you're sick, your immune system signals your mucus glands to produce more to flush out pathogens. So more mucus means your body is working hard to fight the infection. Besides fighting germs, mucus also clears irritants like dust, pollen, and dead cells from your airways. This cleaning action helps reduce inflammation and prevents further irritation that can worsen symptoms like coughing and sneezing. In this way, mucus helps your body recover more efficiently. When you're sick, your body produces excess mucus to trap more germs. This surplus has to go somewhere, so it drips out as a runny nose. While annoying, this drainage is a natural way to clear out viruses and bacteria from your nasal passages. Next time you feel clogged up or have a runny nose, remember mucus is your body's natural defense system working hard to protect you. It traps germs, activates your immune cells, and clears irritants. If you want daily surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious.